Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with a PandaHall Selected haul video. And they contacted me and asked if I would like to use some of their products. And I have a coupon code for 10% off all regular price items. It's POSH59. So let me show you what I got. Panda Select is a part of PandaHall, but they do like bulk items. So the first thing I got were these beads, and they are like natural stone beads. I'll link everything in the description below. So you have these cool stones, rocks, and quite a bit of them. You can see they have quartz, they have clear, they have amethyst, they have, this one has black in it, and then they have the holes drilled in them like a bead. So I got these, and I thought I could use them in, on my dangles for junk journals. I can use them for my glue topper dangle things. I can use them in my miniatures. So when I got these, I thought multifaceted things that I can use those on. So there is a lot in there. Has a lot, and it comes with this cool little case. It came in that package, so I'll just share that. And then the second thing I got were some nail art sequins. So each one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, has 12 different colors, and they come in these little packages because these don't always seal the best. So I don't remember how much this was. It wasn't very much. Everything was under $35 normal price, and they always have good sales. So check them out. Go to the link below and wait for a sale, or go to their clearance section. And so these are unicorns. You can't probably see them very well, but there's unicorn sequins. So we can use these directly on cards, and we can use them on shakers. You can even use them for their original intended purposes. These colors here, these are just little squares. So those are really good on cards because they're squares. You can use them as buckles or whatever. These are the cutest. These are little bunnies. You can't see them as shapes, but you can see the colors that they come in. These are hearts. And these are little multifaceted sequins, but they have texture on them. So there we go. These are music notes and stars. That one's, all the stars are stuck to the top. You can kind of see that one. And these, this is a little bit of everything, and the colors are all mixed together in those. But yeah, so you could, I mean, you could always just dump like an entire little section out into a shaker card and then add some more stuff to them. But more likely than not, you can put some regular sequins in there. You can put some beads and stuff, and then just add like a pinch of these just to add some interest. So we'll be making some shaker cards, and then some cards with just the shapes glued directly to them, and I'll show you how to incorporate those in cards. And then the final thing I got, I did not read the description well, but they're cute. Not what I expected. So these are miniature like serving cups and stuff made of plastic, and they're rather larger than I thought they were. So these two are stuck together, so you can see here. But having said that, there's 5 packs of 10, I think, so I have 50 of these things, and they have little holes in them so you can put them on a keychain. This isn't the last thing, I have something else, but they're all different shapes for like ice creams or sodas. So I Googled online. I was watching Mandy Schneider, and I'm not sure, I think her YouTube's just M. Schneider. Woo, 97. And I can link hers below, but she was making these faux ice creams and posting them on her Instagram. So I started looking in how to do that, and I thought, well, I have all these containers, so I'm going to show you guys, I think, how to make faux ice cream. And we'll use up all these containers, and maybe I'll have a giveaway or something, because what am I going to do with 50 faux ice creams? But it sounds like fun, so I'm always willing to learn. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of these containers, so we're gonna have some fun. I think these go with those, and I have plenty, so there's only 10 of these, I think, and they're just little keychains, but I have plenty of these, so I'm not overly worried about not having enough keychain bases. But yeah, so hang on out for that. These are little eye hooks, and I think those go with those too. I'll show you. Little tiny eye hooks, so you don't have to use the... Oh, I see, some of them don't have the little holes in them. So you can just, whatever we put, our little faux ice creams we're going to put in there, we'll put the eye hook in them and let them sit, and then that'll be our little base. So it's fun. I am more than willing to play with that. And then I got these, so for the cups, the keychains, the eye hooks, and the leather, what are these things called? Dangles. I'm not sure what they're called, but it's a good deal, really. So yeah, that is my Panda Select haul. So I want you guys to hang out with me. I'll do 2 or 3 videos showing the products and how I use them. And I hope you comment, like, and subscribe, and hang out with me and see what I do with this cool stuff. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.